Hello and a very warm welcome to Festool TV. My name is Allan. In this video we're going to take a look at the Festool cordless sliding compound mitre saw, the KSC 60. Mobility is at the heart of the KSC 60 with its compact design. The KSC 60 has a top handle which makes the machine evenly balanced when carried, and there is also a rear handle. The KSC 60 weighs in at only 18.5 kilograms with two 5.2 amp hour batteries. Moving the Capex from your workshop to site and around site is very easy. One of my favorite design features of the Capex range is the forward-facing arms. The Capex can be placed right against the wall, and even in confined areas, you can still have a comfortable working area to the front of the Capex. The mighty cutting capacity of the KSC is 60 millimeters in height and 305 in depth. By combining the Festool EC-Tech 2 brushless motor and our 18-volt battery system, the KSC 60 delivers exceptional endurance. With two batteries connected, you get 36-volt power, which matches the performance of the corded version, at the same time providing enough endurance to complete a full day's work. The KSC 60 will also run off one battery at 50% power if required. The mitre and bevel angle range is unbeatable on a 216mm sliding mitre saw. The mitre range is 60 degrees right and left, with presets in between at the common angles. If you are working with unusual angles and don't need the preset angles, under the locking knob there is a lever that can be lifted and moved to the left. This will allow free movement across the full range. If you lift the lever up and to the right, you will then have access to the common preset angles. The back fences can be adjusted to get the best support for your workpieces for the angle that you are cutting. With every KSC 60, you will also get the angle finder, which is nested in the back of the saw, and this will help you find the perfect bisecting angle. With the KSC 60, not only do you have a huge range of mitre angles, but also bevel angles on the left and the right. On the left, you can go all the way over to 47 degrees, and on the right, 46 degrees. To adjust the bevel angle, loosen the star lock at the back, and this will allow the saw to tilt over to the left. Take the back fence out to allow for full range of movement all the way over to 45 degrees. The Capex can go over to 47 degrees on the left if you press the green release button here. And then, when you're at the angle that you want, lock the angle with the star lock dial. Bringing the saw back up to 0 degrees, if you want to bevel over to the right, press the green release button, and this will open up all the bevel angles up to 45 degrees. Press the release button again to go up to 46 degrees. Beveling back past 0, you will hear the release button engaging. And then bring the saw back and it will stop at 0. But it does not matter what mitre or bevel angle you choose to cut. The accuracy on the KSC 60 is superb and second to none. Yeah, the clever design and engineering really comes into play. The precise bearings and rigid supporting forward-facing arms provide a beautifully smooth and accurate guidance of the saw head. And combine these elements with the LED spotlight, accuracy is easy with a KSC 60. You can switch the spotlight on here, so you can see exactly where the blade is going to cut, and it helps illuminate your dimension markings. With a KSC 60, you are not limited as to the length of material you can cut. Extensions can be opened up to provide great support for your material, or you can fit the additional feet that are supplied with the tool and then use the M112 size sustainer to add unlimited support for your material. There are clamping anchor points at the back and in front, left and right, allowing you to use a supplied clamp to secure the material you are cutting. The trenching function can be engaged by pulling this green lever here forward and then turning anti-clockwise for a deeper depth of cut and clockwise for a shallower cut. You now have full trenching capacity across the full depth of cut. You can achieve excellent quality cuts by utilizing the full range of blades to the corresponding material. The hex key is stored here at the rear of the machine, and the blade lock button is here. And also remember to adjust the speed to suit the material you are cutting to give the perfect results and longer blade life. At Festool we call this MMC for multi-material control, and this is adjusted here on the green dial. Extraction allows you to achieve a clean, healthy environment, meaning the air you breathe is healthier. And with a KSC 60, you have a choice of catching the waste with a supplied dust bag or by using active extraction. The extraction also gives you the benefit of reduced cleanup time and gives the added bonus of prolonging the life of the blades. And this is where the efficiency of the Festool system really comes into full effect. By using the Bluetooth batteries, every time you switch the CapEx on, you can seamlessly connect with one of our Bluetooth enabled instructors. And the extractor will switch on at the same time, allowing you to work dust free. For even more versatility and ease of transport, the KSC 60 can be fitted to one of our UG frames and used with extensions. This epic Festool cordless sliding compound mitre saw can be covered by warranty all-inclusive, or WAI, offering unrivaled support package for your Festool. But to qualify for WAI, please register within 30 days of purchase by scanning this QR code here with the Festool work app. My name is Allan. Thank you for watching Festool TV.